Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another of Sandis Decorate Your Life digitals that she has in her store, and I will link her store down on the description below. Of course, it's Decorate Your Life, and I will also link her YouTube channel. You guys, oh my goodness, this is just the amazing cuteness that she just created, and oh my goodness. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you. It is called Lavender Garden, okay, and this is so adorable. You guys, what I love about digitals is that you can actually resize them to any size that you wanna print out. Okay, so you guys have that awesome opportunity of doing that when you guys buy digitals. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger. You could focus on an area, certain area, and just print that out. You guys, this is so adorable. You guys, look at, and I will show you another one right now that I printed in full size. Okay, but look at you guys, there's a bird, there's a little snail right there, and of course all the lavender flowers, as you guys could see. And there's, of course, there's a little birdie right here, and there's the birdhouse, and of course these right here are talking to each other, becoming friends, and the little heart right there, and so cute. There's a butterfly right here. So let me show you this one right here. I love this cuteness right here. OMG, you guys, look at. And then you have this one right here. Isn't that cute, you guys? And of course these are all lavender flowers. So of course the name of this digital design, it is called, or digital, I'm sorry, it is called Lavender Garden. And of course it shows it all right here, just the garden. And look at the cuteness. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. So of course you have the butterfly right here. You have the little pail right here with some greens in the back, and the lavender right here in a basket. And then the little bird with the birdhouse. And then you have these lanterns here with the little bird, and of course the lavender baskets or bags right there, and with some bows in here. And there you go. And then of course you have more lavender, and then of course you have the bird with the lantern and the lavender right there. You guys, these colors are so cute. So, and then you guys have these cute little girls, okay, and I did, like I said, you could resize them, you could print them as many times as you like. Once you have a digital, it's yours to keep forever, unless you delete it from your computer then afterwards. Yeah, so this is so cute. Look at you guys. So this is the little girl, she's reading to her little kitty right there, and of course you see the clouds up here, and there is it looks like a cupcake right there, and then the little fence right there, and there's a basket right there, and of course she had just collected some lavender flowers, and they're just right there on the little table. And isn't that the cutest? And then you have this one, so cute, you guys. This one, she is picking up her lavender, and oh my goodness, so cute. So you can make so many different sizes on this one. Okay, I will link the link to my affiliate link for this digital down on the description below if you guys are interested. Of course, my affiliate link earns me a small commission at no additional cost to you, but it just helps with cost, with supplies, paper, printing, everything. So, and this one, you guys, like, this one is actually this part right here, from this right here. And look at you guys, look at the big difference, and look at all the details. You guys, look at how it does not smudge, it doesn't stretch. You can't see any blurriness of the stretches or anything. Look at you guys, look at the details. Oh my goodness. And isn't this amazing? So from this little one, this is what I printed in an 8.5 by 11. So there you go. So anyways, I will also want you guys to go over to all the design team members. I will link them all down on the description below. I will link Sandy's store, Sandy's Facebook group. She does have a Facebook group if you guys are interested, and her YouTube channel. And like I said, all the design team members. You guys go over. They have amazing creation, amazing everything. Oh my goodness. And anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. Oh, before I forget, I'm always forgetting. If you guys are interested in winning a digital, this digital right here, it's only going to be digital. It's not going to be any paper or anything physical. Just go ahead and put Lavender Garden down on the description below. That shows me that you guys are interested. And of course, this is a giveaway that Sandy is so generous enough to give away to all her subscribers. Well, not all of them, but the winner. And you know, that's amazing, you guys. Who does that? Really, who does that? Anyway, so just make sure you guys are subscribed to myself and to Sandy. And thank you, you guys. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.